Well, hello there, kids. Welcome to the Dill Learning Channel. Today we are adding. Yay! And I love adding and I love math, so go ahead and get you a piece of paper or get your piece of paper and a pencil and we can get started. Okay, we are going to be adding lower end numbers because this is simple math. This is just an introductory lesson to teach you how to add and what that looks like. So before we begin, we are going to go over our math vocabulary. How do we know we are adding? Well, we know we're adding because of the symbol, but also because of the math vocabulary. Sometimes people will say or you will read certain words. And when you hear certain words that someone is asking you in an oral question, or if you're reading a math reading problem, they will have these words in them. So if someone says all together, you know you're probably adding. If someone says in all, how many in all, or you read how many in all, you are adding. When we say plus, that means you're adding. Addition means you're adding. And of course, the word adding means you're adding. And here's the word addition right here. There are a few other words that mean that you're adding, but these are the basics to what you will see most of the time. Again, there are other words, but these are really the foundation to adding, putting together. What does adding mean? It means to put together, to bring together, to make a group together. So you might have an amount starting off with maybe a couple of peanuts, and then you want to add some more peanuts to it, and that makes that group grow into a bigger number. So let's look at our first problem, which we are using visual carrots. Okay, we're using visual carrots. So Tom was growing some carrots in his backyard, right? And he went and picked 3 carrots. He went and picked 3 carrots. So let's write 3. And he put these carrots in a basket. The very next day, he saw that 2 more carrots were ready for picking. So he picked 2 more and put them in his basket. So he picked 2 more. Go ahead and draw 2 more carrots. So we added 2 more carrots and he put them in the basket. He picked 3 and put them in his basket the day before. And then the very next day, he saw 2 more grew and he picked 2 and put them in his basket. So how many carrots does he have in his basket in all? In all. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 5 carrots in his basket. He started off with 3 and he added 2 more. How many carrots does he have in all in his basket? Okay. Jessica loves eating strawberries. Yum, 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 yum. So what she did was she went to the store and she bought 2 strawberries. She put them in the bag, or she put 2 strawberries in her bag. She hasn't bought them yet. Then she saw 3 more strawberries to put in her bag. So we're going to draw 3 more strawberries. Doesn't have to be perfect. And she put 3 more strawberries in her bag. So she started off with 2 strawberries. And she added 3 more strawberries. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many strawberries does she have in all? We have 5 again. We have 5 strawberries. we have 5 strawberries. This is called a reciprocal. That's in higher math. You'll learn that word. But what reciprocal really means is to flip it. So in the first problem, you had 3 plus 2. And in this problem, you had 2 plus 3. All we did was flip the numbers around, and it still equals 5. Now, Chris loves ice cream, right? So he was having such a great time. He bought 4 ice cream cones. He bought 4 ice cream cones to share with his friends. So let's go ahead and write 4. And let's make sure that's 4. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, he had a couple of other friends come over. And they said, oh, can we have some ice cream too? He said, sure. So he went and bought 2 more ice cream cones. So let's go ahead and draw 2 more. How many ice cream cones does he have altogether? So he bought 4 to pass out to 4 of his friends. 2 more friends came over and said, can we have one too? So he went and bought 2 more. So let's count. How many ice cream cones does he have altogether? And this time we're using the word altogether. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6. If you notice in each problem, we added more nouns. We added more objects. And we started off with a certain amount, and then we added more. So that made the group grow bigger. So we had a group of carrots that grew larger because we added more carrots. The group of strawberries grew larger because we added more strawberries. And the group of ice cream cones became larger because we added more ice cream cones. If you look at it using the word plus, let's look at all of our sentences. We have 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. That's how you would read these sentences when we use the vocabulary word plus. I'll do that again. When we're using the word plus, that means you're reading out your math sentence. So we would say, or asking a math question. 3 plus 2 equals 5. What was your final answer? How would you read this? You would read this 2 plus 3 equals 5. And how would you read the final answer for this ice cream problem? You would read it 4 plus 2 equals 6. So I'm so glad that we were able to do this little quick, simple math problem together. You can go ahead and make some more adding problems on your own. And until next time, please share and goodbye.